Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Terry's Kitchen. So in today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make chapatis. So in a bowl I've added 4 cups of all-purpose flour, then I added 2 tablespoons of milk powder, then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to give that a mix. After that I added a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, so you're going to mix that until crumbly. You will then add some warm water gradually, then start kneading. I added the milk powder to make them so flavorful, but it's not a must to add the milk powder. You'll mix the flour and water until it forms a dough. Then I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then you'll knead for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the dough is soft. When the dough is soft, you're going to divide it into 2 parts. Then you're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes before we roll it out. After rolling out the dough, you are going to apply some oil, then you're going to cut it into 5 parts. After that, you are going to fold it into chapati doughs. If you want your chapatis to be layered, now this is the secret to soft layered chapatis. Kindly fold the chapatis as shown. After finishing folding, you're going to let them rest for about 30 minutes before rolling out and frying. When rolling out your chapatis, make sure you add enough flour on the surface. This will help you get that nice round shaped chapatis. After rolling, you're going to place your chapati on a heated pan. Make sure your heat is on medium so that your chapatis won't get burned. So you're going to pan roast for about 2 minutes both sides. Then you're going to add in some oil and start frying. You're going to fry your chapati under medium heat for about 2 minutes both sides or until they turn nicely golden brown color. For those saying chapati is hard to make, kindly don't give up on it yet. Just keep on trying and don't be afraid to fail. One day, one time, you'll be able to make some soft chapatis and you'll be proud of yourself. I'm not yet there, but I'm happy with the results. So just keep on trying. I hope the video is well detailed and the steps are easy to follow. Kindly let me know if you find any challenge in following this recipe. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my video. I don't take you for granted. And if you have a recipe that you'll want me to try, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. As you can see, my chapatis turned out so well and they were so soft. Kindly let me know in the comment section how it was, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.